Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 wild marriage idioms in English. Number 1. Tie the knot. It means to get married. Example, after dating for 5 years, they finally decided to tie the knot next summer. Number 2. Get hitched. It means to get married. Example, did you hear? My cousin is getting hitched in a small beach ceremony. Number 3. Jump the broom. It means to get married in some cultural traditions. Example, they chose to jump the broom at the end of the ceremony to honor their heritage. Number 4, say I do. It means to agree to marry or to say yes in the wedding vows. Example, when it was her turn to say I do, she could hardly stop smiling. Number 5, ball and chain. It means a humorous or negative way to refer to one's husband or wife. Example, he jokes that his ball and chain won't let him stay out late, but he actually loves spending time at home. Number 6, wear the pants. It means to be the person who has the power or makes the decisions in a marriage. Example, everyone knows she wears the pants in their marriage. He always checks with her before making plans. Number 7, shotgun wedding. It means a wedding that happens quickly, often because the bride is pregnant or due to pressure from family. Example, they had a shotgun wedding just months after they started dating. Number 8, chain and ball romance. It means a joking way to describe marriage as something that ties you down. Example, he calls marriage a chain and ball romance, but he wouldn't trade his wife for anything. Number 9, wedded bliss. It means a state of great happiness in marriage, especially early on. Example, they're still in wedded bliss and act like newlyweds even after 2 years. Number 10, better half. It means one's husband or wife. It is used to show affection or respect. Example, I can't make it tonight, but my better half will be there to represent both of us. Hey friends, that's a wrap on our 10 marriage idioms. Hope you loved them. Scroll down now for the quiz with 4 fun questions and multiple choices. Pause, test yourself, and share your answers in the comments. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.